Automatic bottle lifting, different specifications can be universal. Automatic bottle management, anti-bottle can be removed. Adopts drip-proof needle design and no bottle no filling. Automatic finishing spray cap, manual put. Mechanical arm can automatically pick and place caps and tips. Automatic capping, not damage the cap. Adopt Siemens touchscreen interface, making it easy to operate and manage. Bottle out, the back can be connected to the labeling machine. Labeling machine. Use the Germany Lewis label sensor. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please contact us.